Maurice here back for another Power Pack training. Today, I'm going to help you guys to make more money, get over your fears and anxieties of starting a social media marketing agency. I know that you guys are dealing with a lot of mental hurdles and obstacles, fears, and anxieties, and these things are holding you guys back from truly making the big money in social media marketing. Okay, and until you eliminate, okay, these things, okay, that are holding you back, you're not going to be able to get your first client. You're not going to be able to make it in Shopify or whatever you're doing, real estate. Some of you guys are in, real estate. Some of you guys are doing Amazon. Some of you guys are involved with social media marketing. But here's the Achilles heel. Okay, most of you guys haven't made your first dollar yet, and that's simply because of all the mental garbage. Okay, you're self sabotaging yourself. Okay, by by thinking and imagining the worst that could happen. If I get a client, if I don't get them results, or what if I make cold calls and it doesn't work, or what if I buy a course and it doesn't pan out, or I can't afford it, and all this stuff is keeping you guys, okay, and what I like to call your comfort zone, is keeping you in a place of being broke, okay? And until you, okay, eliminate fears and anxieties, you can't make the money. You can't get a client, okay? Because let's face it, if you can't make yourself do the activities, folks, how are you supposed to prosper? If you don't inflict it upon yourself self-discipline, okay, and move past your fears. And all fears is false evidence appearing real. A lot of you guys are imagining things that will never happen, okay? You guys have to believe more in yourself than your fears and anxieties. And all anxiety is, it's a reaction, okay, of your mind. It's a reaction inside of your mind of something bad that's gonna happen, and it stops you. Let me give you a prime example of this. Anxieties happen to a lot of people. People have anxiety attacks before they begin to make cold calls. I've dealt with them. I've coached them. I know how to break that mess so that you can finally pick that phone up and you can finally get appointments and you can finally follow up and you can finally get your first client. Okay. So, how do you get over fears and anxieties? And we're going to talk about how to make money in the next slide. But these are two big ones, okay? Because let's say you're thinking about doing my cold calling strategy. You guys know that I've made multiple six figures in SMMA when it comes to making cold calls, okay? And a lot of you guys are fearful of of doing cold calls, okay? You got anxieties, all right? And if you guys truly want to break these anxieties, I want you to click the link in the description. You guys can sign up for the ICP, the Instant Client Pro course. And I have a mindset section in that course where we go a little deeper, okay? Because I'm on YouTube, I'm not going to go as far because we don't have the time, okay? But nonetheless, it'll help you to get over fears and anxieties and start to pick that phone up so you can get to $10,000 a month. So if you guys want to do that, you're tired of fears and anxieties holding you back, click the link in the description so you guys can grab that course. And so anyway, anxiety stop people. It's imagination, okay? It's a chemical mental reaction that's going on in your mind because the mind is powerful. You can imagine something that's really not true and your body will have a reaction as if it was. And so it's the same thing with making cold calls. You guys are imagining the worst that could happen, but in actuality, good things happen when you pick up the phone. And the only way, okay, let me show you guys how to get over fears and anxiety. The only way to get over fears and anxieties is to pick that phone up and to do it anyway. And if you're still afraid to pick the phone up and do it anyway, you have to hire a coach. Okay? You need a coach. You need someone that that's bigger than you, okay? That has more mental power than you to help you, okay? It's kind of like when your battery is low. You have to go to another battery, okay, to get a jump. And it's the same thing with fears and anxieties. I've been able to help all of my coaching clients get over these two big ones, okay? Yes, coaching costs a lot, but you got to weigh the cost. How much is fears and anxieties costing you versus you hiring a coach? And fears and anxieties, ladies and gentlemen, the truth of the matter can end up costing you your whole life, because you'll never pick up the phone and you'll never make money. You'll always be in a dead-end job, not enjoying the finer things in life, living where you don't want to live, driving what you don't want to drive, eating what you don't want to eat, going places you don't want to go because you don't have the financial recourse. So we got to break fears and anxieties, ladies and gentlemen, if you guys want to make it in SMMA. And I said it before and I'm going to say it again, 98% of the people online are making money because they're allowing false evidence appearing real to stop them fears. And the only way to break fear, you can watch all the YouTube videos you want, but until you take action, your fears will hold you permanent. And I believe that people that are watching this video that are on YouTube, their fears have stopped them 5 years ago, and they still haven't moved forward. A lot of you guys are supposed to have had your first social media marketing client by making cold calls, but fears have stopped you 7 months ago. You've watched my video 7 months ago, and you still don't have a client because you're dealing with fears and anxieties. You're dealing with excuses. You guys are dealing with excuses. You can make money or you can make excuses, but you can't do both. Oh, I can't afford that ICP course. Are you kidding me? I can't afford coaching. Are you kidding me? You can't afford not to get the course. You can't afford not to get the coach. Okay, so let's deal with this, ladies and gentlemen, your comfort zone. Okay, this is powerful. Okay, this is where you're at right now, ladies and gentlemen. You're in this little bubble. Okay, you're eating the same foods, working at the same places, doing the same thing, watching the same YouTube videos, and not getting anywhere. This is comfortable. You're watching your Netflix. You're doing all your normal activities. You're not doing anything. You're not picking up the phone. You're watching the YouTube videos. You want to pick up the phone, but you're in your comfort zone. Folks, there's no money in your comfort zone. Okay, let me say that again. There's absolutely no money in this comfort zone. This is where 98% of YouTube is at. Okay, when it comes to making money. If you guys want to make more money, okay, and that's the title of why you're watching this video, you got to go from here to here. This is where the magic happens at. This is where you buy courses at. This is where you get a coach at. See, a lot of you saying, I can't afford that coach. Well, you're going to stay here. If you don't want to spend $300, $400, $500, $600 to make a six-figure income, you're going to stay in the comfort zone and make hourly wages or do what you do. Maybe an Uber driver, whatever you're doing. Okay, because this is where 98% of you guys at. And until you guys jump here and say, Maurice, I'm sick and tired. I'm finna invest $2,000 in coaching. I'm finna invest $2,000 in courses. I'm finna buy the books. I'm finna get your course and start making cold call. This is where cold calling at. This is where cold calling is out at. Okay, it's outside of your comfort zone. Okay, the definition of an insanity is doing the same thing, okay? This is what y'all doing and expecting these type of results. You guys want big results, but you won't even spend a few dollars in a course. You guys want big results. You want to drive a Mercedes, but you're not willing to buy a course that can help you get the Mercedes. You guys want to live in $1 million home, but you don't want to take $1 million action. It's not going to happen, okay? You're in what we call insanity mode. That's the definition of insanity, and most people are insane on YouTube. Okay, so let's look at this thing real quick. Your comfort zone, feeling safe and in control. This is where most of you guys are at. Okay, this is the fear zone, lack of self-confidence. Most of you guys don't believe that you can do it in SMMA, but I'm here to tell you you can. This is the fear zone, finding excuses. A lot of you guys made up so many excuses. I don't got the money to get this course. I don't got the skills like Maurice to make cold calls. When we just had another guy in our last video, you can check it out, crushing it, crushing it and making cold callings, following my system. He didn't buy the course, but at least he applied the knowledge, okay? being affected by others' opinions. A lot of you guys are buying other people's opinion. If you buy their opinion, you buy their lifestyle. So before you buy somebody's opinion, you got to check their lifestyle and see how much money they're making. And if they're not making the money that you want to make and going to places you want to go and driving the automobiles that you want to drive, you ought not to be listening to them. Okay, but this is where everybody is stuck at, in fear zone. Okay, now this is where I try to get everybody to go, to invest in themselves, the learning zone, dealing with challenging problems, finding outsourcers. A lot of you guys don't want to go through the process of finding an outsourcer. You may have to go through 10 outsourcers to find one good one. So what? When you do find them, he can make you a multimillionaire. Okay, let me say that again. When you do find that right outsourcer that can get your client's phone ringing, he can make you a multimillionaire. Mine has. Okay, so that's what it's all about. Extending your comfort zone. You got to get out of this comfort zone and you got to acquire new skills. Cold calling is a skill set. I say this over and over. It takes skills to pay the bills, folks. And a lot of you guys don't have the skills. And guess what? You can learn them. That's why you got to get the course. That's why you got to hire a coach. Yes, it costs, but it's worth it. Okay, imagine, let me give you a quick example. Imagine if a coach charged you $8,000, okay, and you hired him, and he worked with you for a couple months. And at the end of that couple months, you start making $5,000 a month, okay? And let's just say in 3 months, 5,000 times 3 months, you're making 15,000 minus the 8,000 that you paid him, plus you're still making 5. So ladies and gentlemen, you still made a $7,000 profit. So tell me if that's worth it or not. It is. That's why I invest in high-level coaching, not no $2 coaching. I'm talking thousands of dollars, and I'm getting ready to hire 2 more coaches. Okay, why? Because I'm trying to get to multiple 7 figures. I'm trying to get up, ladies and gentlemen, and I know to go up, you got to give up. You got to sacrifice. And growth zone, finding purpose, living your dreams, setting goals, okay? Conquering objective. This is the growth zone. But here's the sad reality. This is where 98% of the people sit at. Watching YouTube videos just like a hamster over and over, never buying a course, never getting a coach, never applying the YouTube information they're consuming, working a job over and over, never doing anything else. Ladies and gentlemen, if that's you, today is your day to break free. How do you break free? Number 1, you got to believe. Number 2, you got to sacrifice. And number 3, you got to take action. And you got to take action now. Okay, so what I want you guys to do, okay, we're going to end this now. If you haven't purchased the Social Media Prospecting Pro course, if you're having deep fears and anxieties, and you're saying, Maurice, I don't have any more time to waste. I need to get to the next level of my life. I want to get to $10,000 a month. I'm serious. I'll give up everything I can to get the right coach and mentor in my life so that I can bless my family, and I want to go to the next level. I want you to click the link in the description. We can get on the phone and have a conversation. And I can help you guys to really, truly get to the next level, because I used to be there, okay? And I'm grateful that I'm not there anymore, but I can help a lot more people get to where I'm at, making multiple 6 figures from one income stream. This is social media marketing is one of my income streams. I have multiple income streams, okay, that pay me multiple 6 figures. Okay, and I'm not bragging, I'm just letting you guys know how powerful a coach is in your life. When you get the right mentor in your life, he can impart some things to you that will set you free and help you make money that you never thought you could make. Okay, but you guys got to take the next step. Okay, so I hope this video has been of immense value to you. If it has, make sure you thumb up, hit the subscribe button. Most of you guys aren't subscribed to the channel. I put out a lot of high power trainings like this to help you guys break free, get out of that broke zone so you can get into the money zone. Comment below. Let me know. Let me hear your thoughts about this one. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.